Okay, what happened was, she's a 16-year-old driver. She came around the corner, and this is what happened right here. All these birds dove in front of her. All those birds dove in front of her, and she panicked, and she drove off the shoulder, rolling. Her mom, oh, look at all these birds. Her mom didn't believe her until I came pulling up. I laid on the horn to get the birds out of the road. So she got vindicated. It wasn't really her fault, but now she knows you don't swerve for birds, you stop. We're on our way back to Ocean Park and go back to work. Morning. Where's the horn? Letting us know we're here. Did you see all the birds and the lines back there? That's what she said. It caused her to do this. Oh my God! Well, I started hitting my brakes. I couldn't get away from them. Okay, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna need to throw a chain on the. See if there's anything to tie to down there. Okay. See if you got anything to tie to. See if it's got a ring. What kind of car is that? See if it's got a tow hook or anything down there. Got anything? Huh? Control arm? Yeah. Okay, take a chain, wrap the chain, make a loop. We'll hook the control arm, and what I'm going to do is we'll grab the unit up there, put it on this side here, okay. And I'll come down to a snatch block. We'll get it pulled up out of the ditch. Bird, did the bird get you too? Did you hear me honk my horn? Oh, there's birds all over the power lines down there. They just like, oh.
That's what she was swerving for.
Oh, they were crazy. I came around that corner. That whole line down there, every power line had birds on it. And I'm thinking, oh, they're flying around. All of a sudden, shit, they're everywhere.
That's why we're in the ditch.
Well, I think you're probably going to be drivable. It doesn't look too bad. Good. We're hoping. We'll get it chained up. I got to get some stuff out here. Okay, pulling that cable so I can pull the outrigger out. Okay. You got a chain down there yet? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's throw a chain on it now. Can you wrap that and chain? Okay. Now what we'll do is once we get that hooked up, we'll have you jump in there, give me a hard left turn, set the emergency brake because I don't want it rolling forward. Okay. And then the hard left turn in neutral so the front wheels will roll. Okay. Put the snatch block up high so we're not pulling down the ground off the side puller. Andy's gonna put it. Emergency brake on. Go and roll your window down, Andy. Emergency brake on. In neutral. Can you turn your wheels hard left? Okay, take the emergency brake off. Looks good. A little bit to right. Okay. A little bit left. When I get it up so high, I'm going to have you stand on the brakes, so I'm going to move, okay? Okay, stand on your brakes. Got it. Got emergency brake set. Okay, you stay right there. I'm gonna get up on the road. road, get it turned around. Easy peasy. Then I get disconnected, and what I'm trying to do is okay. Okay, I want you to take the emergency brake off, out of gear. Okay. Much easier with two people. Scratch the rocker panel a little bit. A little bit right. A little more right. Not a mark on it. Unbelievable. Okay, Andy, set the emergency brake, see if it'll start up. Yay, runs like a dream. Okay, jump out, got the brake on? Okay, jump out, disconnect these hooks here, and we'll clear one lane up. I'll get this one lane clear. Unhook this underneath. What we'll do, Andy, let's just clear one lane real quick like. I'll just have you turn to the left and go forward once I get out of the way, okay? Okay, what happened was, she's a 16-year-old driver. She came around the corner, and this is what happened right here. All these birds dove in front of her. All those birds dove in front of her. She panicked, and she drove off the shoulder rolling. Her mom, oh, look at all these birds. Her mom didn't believe her until I came pulling up. I laid on the horn to get the birds out of the road. So she got vindicated. It wasn't really her fault, but now she knows you don't swerve for birds, you stop. We're on our way back to Ocean Park and go back.